the people. We want the people to be safe. Especially boys, Indo peace and in high school, peace as a level. Not even one bottle landed on my body. And I'd just like to thank also some of the people that were there trying to help us in the situation. By pizza. That's not a blame game, but unfortunately, when you sound did it again. And I was there, I'll show you the video, the entrance, and the entrance, they want to John Cena on. I was respected, and I got to where do I wear? Like a fake barrier looking like a comrade. But the Rangari Popampa take a shit. But Pani 1 or 2 hours in my anger, peace, MJ. So, yeah, I'm still here.